Look, it's Bitey Bird. Hey, Bitey Bird. Hey, Bitey Bird. Ow! Hey, Bitey Bird, come here. Aren't you sweet bird? Here's the sweet bird. Here's your sweet bird. Poor old Mr. Butters been in a fight. Who are you fighting with, Mr. Butters? You fighting with Calico, wasn't you? Come here, Calico. Come on. Not in a good mood. Poor old Butters got a bloody nose, huh, Butters? Mr. Butters, come here. He don't bite. There's a Bitey Bird. There's a fat Cornish. That's not a Bitey Bird, that's a little girl. Those the Cornish ones that were saved out of the chicken house. Uh-oh. There's Bitey Bird. Picking on Hybie. Hybie don't like it. Bitey Bird, why don't you leave Hybie alone? If he was out here, he would sure enough get you. Come on, mean old bird. Mean old bird. Pretty lady. Hi, creepy ears. There's one of my bantams out. I gotta be careful of the hawks. Lovely. That's Vanilla. That's Katiana. That's Baby Panda. There's redheaded stepchild. She's got a little red dot on her head. Let's see what else is over here. Katiana again. That's Baby Girl. I'm not sure which one. I think that's Bandy. Let's see. Is that Bandy? Yep, that's Bandy. She's got a band on her foot. That means that's Little Red. That's Winnie right there. Let's see who else is in there. Beaker and Squeaker. That one's Squeaker. Here comes Beaker. Hybie. And then there's a white one. That would be Portia. Yeah, all my stupid chickens have names. Isn't that weird? Oh no, Silky's out. He's actually, his breed is half Silky and half Featherfoot. Or she. I think it's a girl. I hope it's a girl. But it should be in that pen right there. Because that's where Mommy and Daddy are at. Let's see. Hi, guys. So that's Daddy right there. And one of these puffy white ones is Mama. But I'm not sure which one. Uh-oh. Bitey Bird, do you want to say hi again? Hi. Oh, please don't bite me again. It hurts. You stinker. He's going to bite me in the back. I'm going to squeal. Hi, Funny Feet. Hi, little Funny Feet. Funny Feet's not fond of being touched. This is Bonita. And Cherie. Hi, Bitey Bird. You gonna let me pet you? Ow! Stinker butt. What is wrong with you, huh? This is Sweet Girl. That's Baby Panda again. Anyway, chickens.